That little brown bottle sitting in your medicine cabinet costs about $1 at most drugstores. And yet the average homeowner pays a plumber $300 or more every single year for problems this $1 bottle could have fixed in 15 minutes. Most people only think of hydrogen peroxide as something you pour on a cut. But here's the thing. Plumbers know exactly what this stuff can do. They just do not volunteer it. Because every clogged drain, every smelly garbage disposal, every slow shower, and every musty washing machine is a service call they get to charge for. We are talking about hydrogen peroxide. And chances are you have either been ignoring it your entire life or using it for the wrong things. One of the things on this list, number 4, has saved homeowners $300 in a single afternoon. Now, hydrogen peroxide is basically water with an extra oxygen atom attached. That's it. When it touches bacteria, mold, slime, or mineral buildup, it releases that extra oxygen atom in a rapid reaction. That reaction breaks down the gunk at the chemical level, then turns back into nothing but water and oxygen. No toxic residue, no dangerous fumes, just water and air. And it costs about $1 a bottle. So let's get into it. Number 1, it clears slow draining sinks without commercial drain cleaner. If your bathroom sink is draining slowly, it is not really a clog yet. It is biofilm, a slimy mix of soap scum, hair, toothpaste residue, and bacteria coating the inside of your pipes. Walk down the cleaning aisle and you will see drain cleaners running $10 to $20 a bottle. Most of them are made with harsh chemicals like lye that are genuinely dangerous. Eat away at pipe joints over time and only work for a few weeks before the slime comes back. Hydrogen peroxide does the same job, gentler, cheaper, and with a residual effect that prevents the buildup from returning. Pour 1 cup of 3% hydrogen peroxide, the standard brown bottle, directly down the slow drain. Let it sit for 30 minutes. You will hear it fizzing as it breaks down the organic buildup. Then flush with hot water for 30 seconds. Do this once a month, and you will never need a commercial drain cleaner again. Your drains stay clear, your pipes last longer, and you stop paying plumbers to snake out problems you could have prevented for pennies. Number 2, it deodorizes garbage disposals overnight. That sour, rotting smell coming from your kitchen sink is not the disposal itself. It is bacterial slime coating the rubber splash guard, the blade housing, and the upper grinding chamber. Commercial disposal cleaners cost $6 to $10 per pack. They do not actually kill the bacteria. They just mask the smell for a few days. Hydrogen peroxide kills the bacteria on contact. Pour half a cup directly into the disposal. Let it sit for 10 minutes without running the water. You will see it foam as it works through the slime layer. Then run hot water and turn the disposal on for 30 seconds. The smell is gone, the slime is gone, and unlike commercial products, the bacteria takes weeks to grow back instead of days. This is exactly what professional kitchen cleaning services charge $40 a visit for. You just did it for cents. Number 3, it dissolves hair clogs in shower and tub drains. If your shower drain is slowed to a trickle, the cause is almost always the same. A solid mat of hair, conditioner residue, and soap scum jammed into the trap. Plumbers love this job. The minimum service call alone is $150, and the actual job takes them about 10 minutes. You can do the same job with 2 ingredients and 0 tools. First, pour 1 full cup of baking soda down the drain, then immediately follow with 1 full cup of hydrogen peroxide. The fizzing reaction breaks down the biofilm that holds the hair together and pushes the trap material through the trap. Wait 15 minutes, then flush with the hottest tap water for 1 full minute. For severe clogs, repeat once. The same chemistry that the $150 plumber uses is sitting in your medicine cabinet right now. But the next one on this list is the one that has saved homeowners the most money of any tip in this video, and almost nobody knows about it. Number 4, it removes the brown ring inside your toilet bowl and saves you $300 on a new fixture. This one is a lifesaver, and most people have no idea about it. If you have a brown, orange, or rust-colored ring inside your toilet bowl that no amount of scrubbing or bleach will remove, you do not need a new toilet. And you absolutely do not need to pay a plumber $300 to $500 to replace your fixture. What you need is 1 bottle of hydrogen peroxide in 10 minutes. That ring is not dirt. It is mineral staining caused by iron and manganese in your water supply. Bleach does not touch it because bleach only kills bacteria. It does nothing to dissolve oxidized metal. Hydrogen peroxide reacts directly with the iron and manganese, breaking the oxidation bond and dissolving the stain back into solution. Here's the method. Turn off the water supply behind the toilet and flush to empty the bowl as much as possible. Then pour 1 entire bottle of 3% hydrogen peroxide directly into the bowl, focusing on the stained ring. Let it sit untouched for at least 1 hour. 2 hours is better. You will see the brown ring start to lighten and lift within 30 minutes. After the soak, scrub gently with a toilet brush. The stain wipes away like it was never there. Flush, refill the tank, and your toilet looks new again. This single trick has saved homeowners across America hundreds of dollars on plumber visits and full fixture replacements they never needed. Your toilet was never broken. The label on the cleaner aisle just convinced you it was. Now look, I am not going to oversell this stuff. Hydrogen peroxide is not a miracle solution that fixes every plumbing problem in your house. There are situations where you genuinely need a professional, and we will cover those at the end. But plenty of homeowners swear by these tricks for the everyday issues that drain your wallet over time. Most of what plumbers charge for is exactly the kind of small, routine maintenance you can handle yourself with a $1 bottle. Number 5, it cleans the slime ring inside your washing machine. If you have ever opened your front loading washer and noticed a black, slimy, musty smelling ring around the rubber door seal, that is mold. It is making every load of laundry come out smelling slightly off, no matter how much detergent you use. Commercial washing machine cleaners cost $8 to $15 a box and do not actually kill the mold. They just thin it out temporarily. Hydrogen peroxide kills it on contact and prevents it from coming back for weeks. Mix 1 cup of hydrogen peroxide with 1 cup of warm water. Soak a clean rag in the solution. Wipe down the entire rubber door seal, getting deep into the folds where the mold lives. Then run 1 empty hot water cycle with 1 full cup of hydrogen peroxide poured into the detergent tray. Do this once a month. Your washer stops smelling musty, your clothes come out genuinely clean, and you never call an appliance technician. Number 6, it removes mold and mineral buildup from your dishwasher. If your dishwasher leaves a film on glasses, smells musty when you open it, or has dark spots in the bottom drum, the same chemistry handles it. Add 2 cups of hydrogen peroxide to the bottom of an empty dishwasher. Run 1 full hot cycle with nothing inside. The peroxide breaks down the mineral buildup on the spray arms, kills mold in the door seal, and cleans the filter at the bottom. Run this once every 2 months. Your dishes come out cleaner, your glasses sparkle, and your dishwasher lasts years longer than it would otherwise. Appliance service calls for clogged dishwasher spray arms. Run $150 to $200. You just prevented that for the cost of half a brown bottle. Number 7, it eliminates sewer smells coming from floor drains and unused sink drains. If you smell sewer gas in your laundry room, basement bathroom, or any sink you rarely use, the cause is almost always a dry pipe trap. The water that normally sits in the curve of the drain pipe and blocks sewer gas has evaporated. There's also usually biofilm coating the inside of the unused drain that adds its own foul odor over time. Pour 1 cup of hydrogen peroxide directly down the drain, followed by enough hot water to refill the trap. The peroxide kills the bacteria coating the pipe walls, while the water refills the trap and seals the sewer gas back below. Do this on any drain you have not used in the last 2 weeks. The smell disappears within minutes. Number 8, it sanitizes sump pumps and basement drains. If you have a sump pump in your basement or crawl space, the water that collects in the pit grows bacteria, fungus, and slimy algae that eventually clogs the float switch and burns out the motor. When that happens, you are paying $300 or more for an emergency plumber call and a new pump. Once every 3 months, pour 2 cups of hydrogen peroxide directly into the sump pump pit. Let it sit for 1 hour. The peroxide kills the bacteria and breaks down the slime that would have eventually jammed the float switch. This single maintenance habit can double the lifespan of your sump pump. It also prevents the musty basement smell that mold growth creates, which travels through the rest of your house via the air vents. And number 9, it maintains your septic tank without expensive additives. If you have a septic tank, you already know professional pumping runs $400 to $700 per visit, usually needed every 3 to 5 years. Most homeowners get told by septic companies to add expensive bacterial additives, sold for $15 to $30 per pack to keep the tank functioning. The problem with those additives is that the bacteria in them often die during shipping and storage. You are paying for dead bacteria. A more reliable approach used by some septic specialists is small, regular amounts of hydrogen peroxide. Once a month, pour 1 cup of 3% hydrogen peroxide down a rarely used drain or directly into a toilet. The peroxide kills the harmful bacteria that cause backups and bad odors, while breaking down the organic sludge that builds up in the tank. Important: never pour large quantities into a septic system at once. Small, monthly amounts only. This is a preventive habit, not an emergency fix. Now, a quick word of caution before we wrap up. Always stick with regular 3% hydrogen peroxide for household use. That is the standard brown bottle sold at any pharmacy or drugstore. The stronger food-grade version, which is 35%, can burn your skin and is dangerous if inhaled or swallowed. Stick with 3%. Never mix hydrogen peroxide with vinegar in the same container. The combination creates a harsh acid that irritates skin and lungs. You can use them in sequence on the same surface, but never combined in the same bottle. Never mix hydrogen peroxide with bleach. The reaction is dangerous and can cause splashing. Always store the bottle in a cool, dark place. Heat and light break down the peroxide and it stops working. If your bottle does not fizz when poured, it has gone flat. Replace it. And for major plumbing emergencies, severe pipe damage, or a sewer line backup, please call a licensed plumber. The tricks on this list are for routine maintenance and small everyday problems, not for taking on a real emergency. That little brown bottle sitting in your medicine cabinet is capable of so much more than the plumbers, the appliance technicians, and the cleaning aisle would ever volunteer. This channel is all about sharing useful, common sense tips that help you stop wasting things and stretch your money further. We post many more ideas like this. So if you find these videos helpful, subscribe and stay up to date. Your wallet will thank you.